Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write on a picture in Word. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word application. Click on insert, click on pictures, and you need to insert a picture from your device. So once you insert that, here you need to come onto the picture format, click on wrap text, and once you are on that option, click on behind text. So once you select it, click here and make your text bigger. So now I'm going to write on the picture. So here you can see. So let me make it up bigger as well. Here you can see. So let me change the text color into white so it is more visible to you. So here you can see. So this is the process how you can write on a picture in Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.